Okay, so this is the product demonstration for the RFID blocking wallet from Hestai. This is the package that it comes in a small black box, your wallet will, and then from there you just open it up, comes in a protective wrapper around it. We'll take that wrapper off, and it reveals the wood wallet that has the deep, you can see the deep engraving on the wallet, has a money clip on the back. It is not detachable, so it's one solid piece from there. So this is with the cards inside. To see exactly how it works, you just simply press the notch, have access to all your cards. They fit snugly in the wallet. There's the money on the back in the clip, and simply that's how it works. Again, we ship with Ghibli. It's 1 day to make and 2 days to ship. If you're interested in or have any additional questions, just let us know.